Hello guys, today we are going to introduce and unbox a Keywe product, Keywe 1000A series. Okay, this is from Keywe. For information, Keywe is a brand from Korea and they're manufacturing their products at Korea also. So let's get started for our unboxing. Wow, very nice packaging. Okay, so this is the box that we get to open, and you can see this is the digital lock, the first version for Keywe series 1000A, a rim lock series. Okay, so now we remove this. I think this is the accessory, and this is the front panel. Look at it. It looks like a mooncake, right? We call it as a mooncake series. Very solid design. This is the spring, and then this is the wire. Okay, and this is the 9-volt charge jump start. Okay, there's a sticker here. Okay, so let's see. This is here come our back panel. Okay, this is the back side, the back panel for our rim lock. So as usual, you can see this is all acrylic. Okay, so this is the battery cover. So same, 4 pieces of AA alkaline battery. They can stand to 5 to 8 months. And then this is the register button. This is the lock and unlock button. And this is also the thumbnail for lock and unlock. Okay, and this is our sensor latch. So if the battery is on, the sensor latch is being attached, so the lock will automatically come out. This one is an auto lock series. Okay, so this is the battery cover with the logo of Keywe. Okay, so this is the wire that you need to connect with the front panel. Okay, this is all the wire work. Okay, so this is the back panel, front panel. So let's get to see nothing else. So this is, I believe, is accessory part. So we got this bracket. Okay, nothing else. So inside the box, we got 4 pieces of AA alkaline battery. A friendly reminder for all the digital lock, we highly recommend the customer to go for alkaline battery. Don't use heavy duty, don't use rechargeable battery. 4 pieces of battery for alkaline one. Okay. And then this is the bracket. Bracket is for this thing. When you lock the door, okay, the bolt will come. When you lock the door, and then the bolt will come out. Okay, and then they will shoot inside, and they enable the people to come in. Okay, so if you want to unlock it, you press the button, or you just spin it like this, and then open the door. Okay, so this is the bracket, solid one also, and then this is the screw that you needed for doing your installation. Okay, and this is the Keywe instruction guideline for setting. Okay, the Keywe GKW 1000A series. Okay, this is all the features for apps invite users, smart Keywe features, and this is the installation guide. How many you need for the hole, and then how near is it? You can just measure it if you want to do for the DIY installation. Okay, so here also they got some user guide for you to show you how to install this thing. Okay, so inside this box we got the front panel, we got the back panel, we got a bracket, we got 4 pieces of AA alkaline battery, screw, and our user guide and installation guide. So this is all the things that are included inside this set. If let's say you are interested on this, because we can try to, maybe if you are going to install at the rented unit or the Airbnb also can, because these pieces come with the function of numbering, meaning a password, and apps. So you can use the apps to change the password, you can apps to open the door also can. Okay, so if let's say you're interested, you can just PM our Facebook page, Secure Tech, for more information. Thank you so much. Bye.